guys, it's Lindsay with WTI, back again in my kids' playroom to talk about the 2xhome kids chairs. Guys, I love these. They're so cute. They match my dining room set, which is one of the reasons why I got them. I thought it was really cute, but they're also really lightweight. My kids will drag them around and use them, and I don't have to worry about them falling over and hurting themselves. They have the metal on the bottom and the wood, so they're really solid, really sturdy, but they also fit my kids really well. So my kids are 7, 4, and 2. They all use them. I think that one of my favorite things is how easy to clean it is. My kids have spilled all sorts of stuff on them. I can just wipe them off. If you're looking for something that's really cute, but really, really durable, and something that's gonna last your kids for a while, I definitely recommend these 2xhome kids chairs. And that's my point of view.